So no woman no call us
I
Kutu.
don't want girl call me yet. I be a friend of me. Be a man.
Oh, you have it. So what on the fake pum pum not that?
Yes.
The pum pum?
The man never make me look funny, the man hiding.
I be a lematel.
You make the video.
I be a lematel.
Yo, go and go chop the bush on here before Joe can chop out the boy. Go on there, go chop out the bush.
The square.
Yeah.
I like your dimples them. You know the girls them say you got nice dimples, square.
Yeah.
Oh,
So sweet.
so sweet. Squat. Oh shoot.
Where?
So square, so where's your girlfriend?
She's in London, huh?
She's in London?
America.
Oh, sorry, she's in America. Oh. Oh, who's your girlfriend?
Okay.
Okay. But isn't that my daughter-in-law? But square?
She married now?
But that's your nephew's wife.
She married?
No, they're not married. That's his common law wife. So you're gonna take away your square. How you're gonna take away your cousin woman? Eh?
No. He was actually set up as her driver or transporter.
Oh.
If you check that house, you'll find out that's how it was before.
Okay. So it's basically you know set up that for him to be the chan. Oh, I got you. Yeah, I feel you. That, you know that would be disrespectful for him to take your woman.
He was being paid by the bank to do that.
Okay, I got you. You know, you see,
He
it
was
makes
doing the
sense.
job.
He's
Yeah.
actually the bodyguard in America now, right?
Huh?
He's a bodyguard in America now.
But I thought he got the instruction to take care of her as her driver.
Okay. I feel you. See,
He wasn't
smart
told
guy.
to do anything that he
That-
couldn't handle.
Okay, I got you.
If it's something he could handle, he was told to get out of the way or not be there.
Okay. So basically, so he's just a bodyguard. He's just a driver, a bodyguard, taking care of her for you and making sure that she's okay. I understand. Yeah. So when you're not getting married?
As soon as I get back to America,
Okay. All right, Square. I understand.
we'll be getting married in Malibu.
Malibu.
Yeah.
Good.
Do you know Malibu?
Oh yeah, I've never been there, but I heard about it.
If you check the Americans, they
Yeah.
tell you Square is the one that bought Malibu,
Oh.
built Malibu from the first block.
Wow, man! I didn't know you were man. My cousin, much love.
Awesome.
Yeah, you gotta give me some of that riches that you got, bro. If you build Malibu, you got some
shit.
you got some real stuff going on right there, bro.
Yeah, I do.
That's my man right there.
Square.
Squat. Yeah. So what? You don't date no girls up in here?
Huh?
You don't date the girls in here?
No, they're locals. I'm not conformative to their state.
Oh, you're not comfort. Oh. So basically, they're not in your class then, right?
Well, I wouldn't say they are in my class. It's just that they are the way they are, and I'm the way I am. But with all that, it's just the way we are and the way we behave and the way we live. It just ain't the right match.
They're in the right match. I understand that. And that's respectful. I like the way you explain that. You're not putting down anybody. You just say you're just not the right match. Not that you're better than them or they're better than you. You're just not the right match. And that makes sense, right? So that makes sense. Makes sense. And I really like that the way how Mommy, I'm having an interview with Square.
You want chicken?
You know I'm talking to Square. Square, we're having an interview here. She have no manners. Square,
Yeah.
you need to tell her that that's rude.
Square.
Square. So what you do for a living?
Well, I'm multi-skilled. I'm a undercover black ops detective. I'm a sniper shot lying down the helicopter.
Wow.
I'm a sniper shot standing.
Basically, you are a soldier, assassin then.
Yeah, I'm also a sniper shot standing on the ground, hitting a headshot.
Damn, you're bad. You're badass, man. You're badass.
Awesome.
So how many? I heard you graduate. How many subjects do you have?
Well, I know I have 5 subjects in this time. I did 6 subjects. The 6th subject was English, and based on what the assessors of the tests are saying, is that I got the 6th subject, which was English. So I've got 6 subjects, but I'm waiting for the confirmation, also the paperwork, to know what's happening for it.
Oh, so when you planning on flying out?
Find out.
Yeah.
Well, I'm having a party down at Stacy's shop on the 13th of December.
Yeah, talk up, come just promote that, right? This on 13th of December. What, blah, 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 blah. Yo, so that's your birthday?
Well, it's not my birthday, but it's my party for Christmas, my Christmas party.
Oh, your Christmas party, so
Yeah.
let people know, when is it again? Repeat that.
The 13th of December
Yeah, right at where?
at Stacy's shop.
Up, you're telling everybody to come out and support, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, come out.
It's a system party,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll have all sort of stuff there. There'll be bounce about.
Mm-hmm.
There'll be music.
Yep.
There'll be food.
Free food?
Well, there'll be price on the food, but it won't be expensive.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's being calibrated to suit all that will be there, even the kids for $100.
Oh, that's fine. That's not bad. You know, that's cool. So you're gonna get your hair cut and get a shave and get dressed, and then we're gonna hit the road, bro.
Awesome.
We got people to meet and places to go.
So cool.
Yeah. So you have something to wear?
Well, I've got Lady Precious bought me down a shoes and
Oh,
shirt.
nice. So you're up and running for Christmas, my cuz.
Scared.
I'm telling you, cuz, you're up and running.
Scared. But I ain't got no new pants.
You ain't got no new pants? Man, you see when I'm coming back, I'm going to bring you some new pants. Okay? Because we're going to go out. I'm telling you, we're going to hit the road. We're going to hit the road square.
Alright.
And remember, one condition. If I come back and your hair is not cut, we ain't going nowhere.
Oh, I'll get my hair cut in St.Ann.
No, I don't care where you get it cut. You need to get it cut.
It's $1,000 to get it cut.
I'll pay $3,000 to get it cut.
Okay. You could give me $1,000 more and I go to Santa and get it cut.
Who are you gonna go?
Well, I'll go by myself.
No, you need someone to escort you.
Will you take me down there?
I can't. I said I'm gonna leave, but I said I'm coming back.
So should I go get the haircut before you get back, or should
Do it. Yeah, you should go get it before I get back. But we will talk. But it was nice talking to you. And when I come back, we're gonna definitely go and take a ride and hang out, and you get a haircut. We hang out. Okay, you know people and I know people, so it's all good. Okay. All right. Bye bye. Squat.
Oh, we don't see how we don't hear.
What?
Oh, we don't see.
Don't worry about you. Go fire it.
What?
You think I could be that job?
Alright.
Come find no
For put it there. For him, the bike crash. I never hear a woman call and say, yeah, right. Never.
Never.
They don't me feel my phone call.
I be a man that's go for the man say, oh, I be a man, yo, my friend them. Me betting them.
So the woman no call us
I never say
Kutu.
one girl call me yet. I be a friend them. Be a man.
So what are you Kutu? Brush away your doorway.
You want-
Watch it.
No, sir. So do that this then just this year where I go down there.
Then I'm mad man. Me bad on me then. You want? I'm mad man come show. I'm mad man you want to come carry on. I'm mad man you want to carry on come show.
So Kutu, let me ask you something. So you not get no pitney?
Either you too small or you dead, but something wrong with Kutu.
Do it. What?
Either you too small or you dead, but something wrong with
But Jesus have mercy.
But you in the corona, my woman lose picnic and see something.
Well, I say what you did was one. But my boy, he said those put their town. No, Corona kill those put their kid.
Yes, catch you with the beach or something.
Can the woman control it? Can the woman control it?
So when you want to say, Kutu, you don't have no woman for your band?
That's you want
I'm virgin this.
You are virgin, Kutu?
No, virgin way.
40 year, about 40-year-old virgin.
Hey, when me tell a pretty woman come here at the whole of them. Pretty blood, Indian from Clarion.
Not tell much. Me tell much the girl we pass through. I know. Me say when me talk put your cat in the photo.
Me say me not count for a finger.
I am big man for me.
And chest me a beat now.
Me say I will talk put your cat in the photo.
And chest me a beat. Me not count for a finger like you. Chest me a
Me
beat.
say I will put your cat
I
in
beat
me.
chest I say 10, 20. Me not count like you. Me not count for a finger like you.
Me a young, me a pitney for Kutu. And I'm out of girl me pass your Kutu na half time that.
Then me boss you idiot. And me boss you, you know. And me say go on the road.
I true, me remember.
What you mean?
I remember when he used to ride the mattress, you know,
Then me I tell you.
and the pussy used to lick.
Alright, and me boss
You know about the pussy and the licking up. You know, them tell you know the
Hey.
pussy licking up.
They see them one day, and dun them say Kutu, no make this a blood in a come out of your hand, you. Dirty sin thing me can come here. Call it down in a bed down there. We not even want a bed.
And I'm in bed and I tell lie upon you. And you want a female man them
Go on a
left.
road, boy.
Me know what I mean behind the wall.
You know when do know? You know when do know?
That God, that's true.
You know when do know? Chucky, you know when do know? Go on a club, go and cock up body in a ear.
In a ear.
And turn up body in a ear and wind up and turn down head. From pool. What kind of thing that? You ever hear me?
What's it?
Radam!
What's it?
Radam!
Chucky.
You ever hear me?
When me say bomb now, I not do that. Me and my woman right beside me this one. When me done enter me say me come.
Hey, Maurice, when me come here, the man show me one video. You see? I see the one video where he show me. And when he put the where Tajay go up, and when he put the hood in the woman's house, he must be happy who hold up with his hand. Up in the, they can't talk to me.
Radam!
You can't talk to me. You talk about way. Make you show it, can't have it right now. Show me now. You talk about way.
Outa, if you fall up, you would have put in a more put the hand, make sure paper.
Me can't go in a mirror because me dead now.
But I'm going to put us about the hand, Miguel.
Hey, wait till me go
At least
back.
I'm going to something. It's a for going to something. What for you going to?
Wait till
So what I appear fall up.
No, you say for me and a fall up.
No, appear fall up.
Now you can't fall up, man. You're mad. You're mad.
Well, look at you. What a human problem.
Boys, tell him how long a truck stop run, no man. Tell him no man, you don't have to call, you don't have to call a girl and say, tell him. As you go to a girl and say business already.
I'll be a better if you talk about. If I that you talk about me do, I want to hold it again. Listen. So still no can compare to me one. If I buy a wife, enough me go through.
They do man, you can't go.
Don't let me here to feel dead, you know, long time. And that's why
What you mean?
that's
What's
why
that
I
mean?
if you and the whole of them woman will have me.
You're mad.
Where you chat me from? Where you come chat me from? Me your size and maybe older than you. Me a big woman to you, you know.
Yeah, they ain't no see.
Walk.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
Huh?
They are talk away. Then me know. Me know Chuck. Me know Maurice. As I done now in the place. See? Me know walk here.
Man,
Man,
who did I start to work for same way? I feel stiff one and get no job. Now, unemployed cocky, you call him.
Hey.
Unemployed cocky.
Hey.
I never say I see
Hey,
him.
me not have to go up. Me tell you say, you know.
What's that? This is one night. What's that, Maurice? This is one night. Ask him. Let me tell you.
No ask me nothing, man. I lie.
Come
Me
here,
no
come
see
first,
nothing.
that's
Me no see
all.
nothing. I lie.
Where boy?
Me no see nothing. Lie
Listen,
that here.
one time I walk out if I say my company man, call the court boy.
Hey, Maurice, yeah, you know me say I me okay, see? You want to back room. You ain't say no. Wash off your hood, boy.
Tell one drink around
Come
tomorrow.
here, wash off your
Tell one
hood.
drink.
You can't use. I see me there now, me like a idiot there now, clean up and everything and clean up place and
That time me have 2 girls now. Me have tell you, me have 2 girls now.
You
See
saw
me
me
right now, Boris. Me here for the phone in the morning. Me here for the phone to get man boy. The girl must say boy how they want the sex and
No,
me
don't
not come
corona.
down. Me here for
Give
the
me your
phone.
corona now.
Me here for the phone, Maurice. And me call my girl and I say boy. I'm gonna tell the girl about that I me say, me can't body, because the body died. I believe I pick up 2 girls in night. So same time being them, call me and say them come back come before.
One pick out teeth, girl.
Yeah, one pick out.
I was trying to go. I want also me that me can't 2 girls come by night.
What,
Me
yeah?
can't 2 girls come by night.
Wait.
When me can't 2 girls come by, we say wash a tea kick up. And me
I
can't
hear
get
the
up.
backyard don't come.
Me ain't what them man and tell you about that killer cock.
They get the new girl they come.
Me ain't got them morning, Maurice. Show me go lick up and beat them all come here. You see morning? Me care about them. I'll give me brownie. Yeah man, I tell you about me in the house. Me never say man. Sit down and wait for me girl. You hear the game man out there tell the girl about say that me just have a killing cock. I tell you tell the girl say that.
Beenie man.
Me say oh yes man, it's a come down.
Ask me the man.
Beenie man, talk truth. The bad cock is dead.
Ask me the man if he's no girl. Feel
Oh, that's a
like
killing cock.
Feel like.
And that, and you see one that about no teeth. Same thing I tell the girl about that killing cock.
Dr. Killing.
That's not true. Me hear that.
Me say, me and the man go so, come here like man from the girl say no. One different girl, one different brown girl. So what we are going to tell you, we are telling you also so you cannot kill the cock for. We want to also. We are telling you that.
So how Dr. Kill your kutu?
So that's the issue.
But when you go to the 24th, man, everything is different. I get you.
No sir.
Doctor give you an injection and put it on pause.
Yeah, cause you know through the nurse them look all sexy and they are same thing. You see me, and them did a look at me and I rub me down and same thing. So you see when me go up now, when me go back up now and them want to take out the pin, them want to give me back an injection.
So when you're the nurse, my deck, you're something that I get up.
Yeah.
Cause your nature, me feel me down.
So then do
something make it dead. That you don't have to disrespect the nurse.
I roll in a yaso, you know, roll in my spine card.
Yeah, so you
So you know,
cannot,
so you get roll in your spine card.
You might read the phone for me.
Hard for your cocky. So now, so we tell me go back up the 24th and come. All of you girl them boy.
You kill them.
Because I know mad girl them.
You kill them with the murderation.
One thing before you get the injection, when you're there.
Then me boss you when they
Then Junior, hold on. Who did make the pussy lick then? You know you.
That was what pussy.
Junior, hold on. I lie. We call Bean. No, we call Bean for the phone now. Call Bean right now.
Pussy got somebody cock.
Yes, we did rub chicken back aisle panny and then pussy lick your. I lie. Alright then.
I say cool.
Alright, we call Bean now. So when you go talk about kick Kutu. And Kutu me yes you did I ride the telly beer. You remember the telly beer?
Oh, pillar.
And the pillar.
Hey, be in this charge.
No,
Be in this charge when you put that. Be in this charge when you put that. Go sleep right.
No, being them put me. Illegal being them put in a
Be come when you put that boy go sleep right. When that boy face full of beer discharge.
being them put me. Illegal being them put in a bed.
Where boy you just be in discharge boy.
So your face gonna be in discharge?
Illegally put in a bed.
Boy just be in discharge. Who happened to? I put you out to.
Where I tell me say brother, are you happy?
Which one?
So hold on, me hear the argument last time about it and me hear say how much the mattress in the back of the house, how much hole in the mattress because we have a bore hole.
The precious have come down and go tell Julia say no sir, no bother with it again. No bother with it.
Let them you no, you better take place. You better go to Santa Place because you do some mean of it. Yo, don't stop again.
What do you precious do so I said? The poor Junior go on. He can't walk go. Sit there and come here. I see when me do so. Junior say, "Man, give me sit now fight." You see when me, he man hide it for me.
Jesus Christ.
When the precious?
I know Junior that you know where I'm having.
Junior hide it?
No, me having.
So hold on, the fake pum pum not that?
Yes.
The pum pum?
The man there make me look on it, the man hide it.
So after Junior done with you, did want to use it after? No?
Junior no use it. It's okay. Somebody no use it.
Junior use the money.
Oh, you don't get you out of your house.
What do you mean?
No,
Bounty.
no.
Oi, precious. Bounty take your finger hit, Junior. The bounty pushing finger in it and I say, can't walk. Junior tell him say yo.
Well, you found him ask me for it? You never found him ask for it?
Man, what you have here, do you have vagina already?
No kutu if I want.
You gotta give to kutu. You know all for the man, so you have to stop them thing the man. A liar tell the man, say I'm a virgin, a liar mix up, you want to come talk about me good up friend.
Susie, for you know kutu you do, alright, for you know kutu you see kutu down on it. For you know kutu you see kutu down on it.
Kutu a virgin?
Of course.
Almighty God.
You want to sit that one? Where were you?
Never there with me around thing.
Why kutu? Have to breed something this year before the year over.
If you don't take it, man, just own it.
This year and a pass, I'm in the ball game, man. I kick out the
So
ball.
how old you no kutu?
40 something.
In 53.
I lie, man.
How old are we?
I lie.
How old are we?
But man, at 60 years, we are still a get picnic. So me just a
How
40
you
a young boy.
How you flipping right now, wife? How you flipping right now, wife?
boy.
Which girl are you opening for that girl catches? Which girl? None.
June am my pretty woman, none of you woman, I'm not pretty like my woman when we can't come in.
I be a talk about none. How you can see none? Even one. You have your phone, show one picture of one.
Kutu.
Show one picture of one. Even one picture you must have, show one picture of one, come.
So do you want to wait for your woman then?
Me a dash it, you know.
Like Juna don't have a chick nor a child.
Me a dash
Put a
it.
jacket in your have. Stop putting a jacket them man. Can't go like that.
If any picking up, Juna get picnic.
Which one?
The junior.
That's your female.
Precious Kelly breeding cell with Taji.
I don't know about word, but me know about that. So no have picking in him warm
I
too.
did him a coach Charlie bro said don't have to take that Charlie deal, man. My coach.
Charlie Brown a Blake and picking we are seeing.
Blood fire. So wait.
That's why don't talk about own people. You my own people bikini. And I can't do and I want people. How for name me now? You can't go on it, boy. You can't hold one of you.
No, wait. Taking this to the next. So hold on. So in my Blake.
Chaplin a Blake and picking here for me. Like Junior, no, Junior, you just a try, you know no picking. Kelly breeding yourself.
We say big pass, you call me daddy. I'm a beginning. That's a young boy.
What's that?
Maurice, them, I don't care. Maurice. The one they right. That's true because Chaplin, you're a virgin. Me not hear no woman. Me never see you have a woman and say I feel the woman for you.
So no better when we go a club.
Me, you know me. Me, what I'm talking now. For your time now.
Tell Junior say me I work. Tell him go clean up in the over. Chocolate come up here today. Say daddy, what happened? Nothing. And me say no baby, I'm working to get you something later. Okay?
Me say.
Okay?
Say.
Chocolate come right. You never
Chucky.
there when he come. Me look at baby
Chucky.
right
Yeah.
on the back. He come to me daddy. Why you call me daddy?
So I feel him for.
Why you call me daddy?
Me not know.
And then look on the next man and say, who this a man that they say for me daddy?
Show me
A lie.
Eh? Woulda kill myself
Show me
if
the
I
paper.
couldn't say this a man and my daddy.
Show me the paper. Show me the paper.
I don't name do it. I don't name do it Junior.
So Junior,
You know
you
what
own for you them.
I want to be them.
I feel them.
I also have to be them.
I will give you DNA.
So no say go, you know if you have a jacket I want to.
Then Junior 2 jacket or a 3 jacket you get.
Sleeve.
4.
A 4 jacket.
And he got me for me waist cut. And he have his
You
sleeve.
know, it's only 2 pitney you have though by right? Alright, right there so.
Ask him how the one go a Santa.
You talk about hot dog?
Hot dog one.
Yeah, I don't feel Junior pitney that. I don't want that. I don't Junior pitney that.
So Junior said, I never see him asleep.
No man, where am I for Junior? Me declare that one day.
He never asleep. We can him never asleep.
We don't know who own here, you know,
Me
but
never see
the
him
person
asleep,
where
you know.
own is a dear me there because that is Junior pitney.
Chucky, me never
Because
see
me
him
know
asleep.
Junior daddy.
He never asleep. Chucky.
Me know Junior daddy. Where am I
He never
for
asleep.
Junior?
The last one he never asleep.
DNA run.
The last one he never sleep.
Without half of one. Yo, me say back to him now. Me say Chucky.
If when him, if Tajay no feel me know say where my feel, cause where my pan him. Where my look pan him. Black like a tar pot.
You know what I'm going to do? Go brush up your doorway.
What's that? You want to Chucky? You know, we start talking. You know, we talk about talking. You know, we talk about talking.
Chucky, tell some man who's taking with. Tell some man.
Water.
Tell some man.
Roman no spooner.
More talk, but you might take out the argument.
If me own him, him a no spooner.
Me say, me and him, and no oil, and Koto Chucky. You know, Jama, you know. You know, he might cut out, you know. But me, I'm thinking for him. Go club. Oh, that's strawberry.
Don't let them yourself, man.
4 hours.
Don't let them yourself.
5 hours go, but a 1 man by 4 hours wife.
Don't let them yourself.
So 1 man by 4 no wife.
Don't let them yourself.
Me a first man go to the club, Chucky.
In a club. In a
Yeah,
club.
come over here, so mama come.
In a club, you go. What me in a club?
When you go into the room, then me first man go to the room. And
Yeah, the first man going.
Yeah, first man.
And the last man come out.
In a which one room?
Yes. Which one? Let's go to the
The
room.
room where me go pan. Me go pan the clean part of the room, but you go to chaka room. Then me no go to chaka room.
But take out the argument.
In go in a room, don't come in and go in there.
No,
Don't
so
use the car room.
go to the last man.
So you going to dirty room for?
Yes, so me go, Chucky. See, man.
Which
Yeah,
man?
that way you did a screw for come.
Me no know him talk about. Me alright when me go. The man turn back me fist and say, yo, me rate you me dad for what? Me a time the whole land. And you keep the wickedness over there.
Blood.
The man say, only you would have send back around there with me money. For you are the best. Man by the whole of the way about this man run on. The girl come on, yes. And your girl said to him, say, boy. The girl, your girl said to him.
So who don't get none?
Your girl said to him.
Junior don't get none.
He run there, kick up, here girl said to him, Chucky. Say, boy, Junior want a little more temper in there with him. Big and soft, no you.
Oh my God. Oh.
And me call over my girl, me say, my
Oh,
girl.
that's messed
The
up,
girl that said one time again with you. You gone with you make the video. You make the video.
Chucky.
Where lie there?
You say go in there?
I don't know lie
The
there.
man ain't going. And you hear boom 3 times.
Chucky.
And then that game one.
Chucky, DM to the girl in there.
Yeah.
It's true,
Back
man,
to back,
by
check
the
what
wife
you
here. It's in a right soon gang.
Go to him,
In the room with me long man. You can't say that one last time. Me a busy. You have to pay me for standing there.
I said my boy last time, I keep on him.
I'm going to tear here for what? This a room here, you know, it part off in and now things that me not hear what go on, you know. And him over there, so me I hear everything what go on. Sit down in there on the bed. Sit down in there on the bed now, do nothing.
You stand there on the bed and listen to him and they're the next room.
No, me a go on.
The man, yo, man, yo, come out, come already. The man, what I used to say, what are they like? Last time I cuss him, I said, man, you got to learn before. They can't fuck, before, they can't turn long. They can't turn long. Mr. Magic, he make out of our roots. He make out of our roots and one bag of cereal make him back at him. One bag of cereal and he can't turn back at him. But when you jump off.
Chucky, you see I'm
Yo, you're crazy.
Chucky, you see I'm rose is me make it. I'm a drink. Let me tell you something. All the morning, my boy never did that turn up good and boy, I wait, call me up. I piss
Well, we wake you.
Me say, the boy, when you cuss him last time, I say, go and go to
Where? Move for yourself. You want to unbuckle my roots?
in a youth.
Chucky, buy one buckle game.
We never drink that. None time.
Buy one buckle game.
We never drink that roots none time because why me drink that
Me
for?
have the only time me hear say you're not perform. Me not lie. Me not go lie, Junior.
Boy, lazy.
Me hear say you fall up, you bend up.
Well, how was this song? Which girl son?
And girls, it's a kutu. Kutu, where girls say kutu? Kutu, where girls about the falling?
Any girl, oi,
Lazy.
Chucky,
Lazy.
you can't know who any girl me jealous at me cock. Any girl jealous at me cock.
Wait, Chucky, not like that, Chucky. Chucky, look here.
He said Junior would
You see, a bathroom, it have to pop down. Through Kelly. A bathroom, through Kelly. A bathroom, through Kelly.
What a money?
Where money there? Where money there? Where money there? Are you see boy no have? You see no have?
Are you see the hand?
And you come in your yard.
Lazy man.
Are you see no have? You come in your yard, boy. Yo. bush on here before Joe can chop out the boy. Go on around there go chop out the bush. Go on before Joe can chop it again. Go on here go chop out the bush.
So Joe can take him out.
Joe come cut the man up.
Make sure you say make sure you say I say say Bye going on bam me too.
Chucky. Jerry has a star boy got for that. Roll 4 away. And we have one girl controlling the one place. Chucky. And when others man there and when me go start the show now. And me start the show now. Hey, I saw me have to ease out some man for when me start my girl, you know. The girl say, yeah, no head, that's something like it. And when no head here, now if you are ease master with me and see me and stuff.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Say no, you see say
Brother, so how you do it?
you say
So how you do it now? So show me your way now. Show me your way. This that you know how man I do it. Show me how you do it. Hey. Show me how you do it, brother. Me want black and shine. Me want black and shine. Call black and shine. Call black and shine.
Me never show him.
Call black and
I learn you want to learn.
Show me. How you do it? Yo, 1, 2, 3.
See me, boy. Yeah. See me now. Actually, look at it. And he waste now move. No,
No, sir. What's up there? Me, I tell you, as like, I have to give my mother thanks for that because she chose a good genes, finally.
You want to bubble on it, man. You want to bubble on it,
Hey, you're not
you see, that's why I'm man watch.
You're not for you Brazil enough. Your nipple them don't turn up already.
So then, Kutu, how you do it now?
Yeah? Two minutes for me sick foot and you see me?
You see, boy, the boy always have to move, man. The boy, he can't wind up.
But he can't whine, but for you are foul.
Oh, me? You're mad, man.
Well, if I tell me the argument, you pay foul, you are foul.
What's it on? Our people are sister. Because what the wind grip car, they say sour.
No, but the one video where I show me Judah, that I'm just show off. You see me? You see if they can't do it. You see if they can't do it. You just push up. Put your leg them. You just put your leg them.
If he say a junior, me go down on my knee and beg junior, say, me sorry. Call Tessa and ask him who rather me best.
No, yeah, yeah, sir.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Take up the phone and call him.
Call him.
Call him. Who you live with now? Call him.
Who live with?
Take up your phone and call him right now. Right now.
So you live with the woman.
So out of Charlie Brown, Tessa and me. Which one are you rather? Which one are we rather you the best? Call him on his phone right now. Me. If
call him on his phone.
You would have fall up, man. You can't do it.
Call him.
You want to be holy.
Call him.
You want to be holy. You want to be holy. You want to be holy.
Me give you Wi-Fi.
You know, say no beard last night, Chucky.
Me know say no beard, man. He afraid of water.
You know beard last night, you know?
Can you keep it on him? Me send on him.
Me say Chucky.
Hey, I want you down the road. We don't get a drink. We did it.
I believe you.
You and I found this last night and he never wash shots and I said, Junior, I see you in your shots and today will you so much close by line, man. I said, go beard, man, Junior, go in your house and take off your shots and come up back and say, kiss me ass, I'm in bed.
But what do you remember down the road and cook? And he say, man, look a girl, I will do so and he did it and every man did it and drink and sing and he want peace. You know when go round the corner. So me do so in front of the girl now and do so. Because he was in my hood little away and do so. I'm going for the girl and turn up in the road and do so. Piece of chin straight so the girl look up laugh. The girl in the phone and the girl look and the girl say. So I say, wait man, Julia spend the money but me soon come wine you. No, you say.
Oh my God.
You know 1 more week or 2 more weeks, you see. Problem under your skin.
You can't put all the man naked in the bed with you. You feel you can't move.
You see, don't worry yourself.
Radam.
Him not going to know, you know. But you wait. You see when me only want to spin him, you know, and slap him on the ass 2 times.
Two can't sex, don't talk. Talk about them. Talk about them.
Hey, me not worry for myself, you know. Because I know me well alright, because you see.
Them say me would have 4 people, but me not for wine up and I get them see me enough.
Oh, you have to wind up. You see empty bag can't turn up. Empty bag cannot turn up.
Just anyway, they get them company and come for it.
Your money gone.
Eh? You see, you live out. When you say live St.Ann, I don't have girl from St.Ann come for it.
Maurice, them can't tell us to replace them over there, man. Maurice, them
Because
can't tell us.
you up there now. You and me there St.Ann make girl if I up there come for it. There you so. And you up there.
They come up pretty girl me have up there, Junior.
Get what you
Come
man.
up pretty girl me have up there. Right now, we can't call a foreigner up there, you can't call him. You can't call a foreign girl up there right now, you can't. As because he cut to where was you?
You also get up so low, mister? Eh? One big that.
They don't.
And it's mad over my blood.
They don't.
Everyone make you one.
If you need a man, you would have there. If you need a man, you would have there. You would have there your foot. You would have there your foot. You would have there. You know how make he love you? Catch you when you go to you cock up on pool, because you take Veeam Star. Cock up batty in a ear and head look and a white. We don't do them that thing.
So what are you going to do? Cock up batty?
Junior, cock up batty in a go up on pool. When you go them dance back. Head down and cock up batty up there. And shake bamba. Them they don't walk. Run me don't do them this.
I should show me trouble. So tell me go down holy blood flowers.
Oh God,
Bugle, you know the representation is always important for the presentation. So we got ONEYARDie TV, and that if you look on, that if you make your eyes them hook on. ONEYARDie TV, okay.